in the garden, among the meticulously tended beds, the quiet, endless story unfolds. A story about plants that arrived uninvited, small, inconspicuous, yet incredibly resilient. The gallant soldiers. To many, they are just weeds. But for those who know how to bend down and look closer, this is a story of two sisters. Most often, we find them together, Galinsoga parviflora and Galinsoga quadriradiata. From afar, they look similar, as if one were the other's shadow. And yet, the differences are distinct. Galinsoga parviflora is the delicate sister. Her stems are smooth, almost bare. Her leaves are thin, spread close to the ground. And her trademark? Modest white ray flowers, usually just 5 tiny petals encircling the yellow heart of the flower head. Galinsoga quadriradiata is the sister in a cloak. Her stems, leaves, and flower calyxes are covered in a rough down. Thanks to this, she shimmers silver in the sunlight, as if wearing a luminous armor. Her flowers are somewhat larger, more pronounced, and the entire plant gives an impression of being stronger, tougher. They grow where the soil is fertile and often disturbed. In gardens, on vegetable patches, among the crops. They are masters of survival. A single plant can produce thousands of seeds. Seeds light as dust, carried by the wind. And that is why they are among the first to appear on freshly turned soil. Their reign, however, ends with the first chill. The autumn frosts extinguish their life, reminding us that this seemingly invincible pair are in essence merely annual plants, guests of but a single season. But the gallant soldiers hide something more. Their young leaves are edible, fresh, with a delicate, nutty flavor. In the past, they were added to simple salads, soups, or stuffings. Today, they can still be found in the kitchens of South America, from where they journeyed to Europe. In folk tradition, they were also used as medicine. Infusions and poultices from fresh leaves were believed to soothe stomach irritations and speed the healing of wounds. Modern science finds compounds in Galinsoga with anti-inflammatory properties, though full confirmation of their healing power still awaits further research. Two sisters, one smooth and filigree, the other hairy and persistent, both uninvited yet full of meaning. Their story teaches us that in nature nothing is superfluous. What we call a weed can be sustenance, can be a remedy, and can be a story about nature always finding a way, at least until the first frost.